In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Drova Forsaken Kin on your PC. So what you have to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we are able to locate this game on Steam first, and then we can proceed to another website. As you know, the Steam games can be quite expensive, especially the latest ones. Plus downloading from random websites can lead to viruses and nobody wants that. But don't worry, we will locate this game on Steam and then we will proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website, after that search for the game Drova Forsaken Kin and select it. Now scroll a little bit down, and as you can see, this game on Steam is €24.99. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this website. Now we can search for the same game on this website, Drova Forsaken Kin. Now search for it. After that, go to the left side and select games. Then sort by price lowest first. And as you can see, we can already purchase this game for just €10.53 instead of €24.99. And this is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online on a legit way. So once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive an email confirmation with a activation key or a new legit Steam account. So you are able to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!